Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this cool product right here that's in my hand, which is an LED gaming mouse pad that's by the brand called Bladehawk. So remember, I actually reviewed a product that's by Bladehawk, which is a gaming mouse, and this time they have a gaming mouse pad. So this is the perfect addition to that if you guys want to use that, or you guys can actually use your wireless mouse as well. So first thing first is actually unbox it and show you guys what it looks like and what comes inside the package first. So right out the bat, when you open the package, this is what you get inside. So they provide you a very nice USB to micro USB cable that is really nice. If you guys can see the cable materials, so you can see these kind of materials are actually really nice and won't break as easy. But here we have the actual product itself. It's actually really big. If you guys can see, there's a little Bladehawk logo right there. And how it works is that you guys will attach it on this side, so the micro USB slot right there, and then you guys can turn it on by clicking this button. There's a Bladehawk logo there as well. But the material of this product is actually really nice. This product is actually really long. I don't know if I actually needed this long, but it's really nice. So let's just attach it right now and see how it works. Alright, so we have it attached right now. I'm not sure if you can see the color, but it's quite nice. Let me turn off the light so I can see a little bit better. So it has around 10 different color options on here. And all you have to do is click the small little button, it will change it. So the material on the top part is actually micro texture cloth kind of material, and the back part is actually like a anti-slip or grip material that will help you prevent it from slipping when you guys put it on the table. So when you guys are using it, this part won't move, which is really nice. And that's everything that comes inside the package. So now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So this product in particular costs around $32, and for that price range where I say that it's actually worth it. Honestly, if you guys want to be extra, then it's actually really worth it because of the fact that this is not just a mouse pad, but you guys can actually put your laptop or keyboard on here, so you guys can actually get that extra coolness on here. And at nighttime, when you guys are playing in the dark or you guys using a computer in the dark, this part lights up so you guys can actually still see your surrounding on the desk, which is really nice. So I think that's the big winner for me for this product to make it really worth it. Is the fact that you guys get a nice kind of like surface to protect your desk from getting dirty, but on top of that you guys get a really nice light all around the product to actually make it even more cool at nighttime when you guys are playing games and kind of give that night light feel. So pretty much long story short, yes, this product is worth it. I do highly recommend getting one of these if you guys want one. But if you guys don't want one or you guys don't need it, then obviously don't buy one. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have